Welcome to the video demonstration of Forms module in the School Bag application. Every small to large educational institution is flooded with lot of enquiries every day. Tracking all this information is very vital for the institution growth. The Forms module efficiently tracks the details of your past, future and current details of the students in the admission records. School Bag has integrated help desk features like enquiries, registration with email support. This helps the administrators and management to know from home what is happening at the help desk and gives them an insight and valuable information about their institution's need. There are 4 submodules available in the Forms module: Enquiry, Registration, Student Enrollment, Staff Enrollment. Let us see the functioning of each submodule. Enquiries. The submodule saves and records the enquiries made by the prospective parents and students every day. It provides a list of names and details of the prospects that have made an enquiry about the institution. The new enquiry option here allows you to add new enquiry. Let us add a new enquiry now as an example. An enquiry form will be displayed after filling all the required fields. Save the form by clicking the Save button. The enquiry form is successfully saved and added in the list here. There are 5 operations besides each entry. The Enroll link allows the prospective student to be enrolled, that is, admitted directly into his or her class and section in the institution. You can modify the student details by using the Edit option. Reply can be sent to the person or the prospect who inquired about the institution by using this option via email. The prospect can be registered in the organization after paying a minimum registration fee using the Register option. View History link allows to keep a track on the enquiries made by a prospect on each visit to the institution. This gives an insight about the prospect requirements and needs. Filter option allows searching the enquirer or the prospect information quickly. The second submodule is Registrations. Registration records are maintained for the prospects that may or may not join the organization. This submodule page displays a list of names and details of the students registered in the organization. The Registration option here allows adding a new registration entry. A registration form is displayed after filling all the required fields and paying a registration fee. Save the registration process by clicking the Save button. A registration receipt will be issued to the registered student at the end of the registration. You can find the newly added entry in the list here. 2 options are available with each entry: Edit and Enroll. With Edit option, you can modify or change the registered student information. The registered student can be directly enrolled in the organization using the Enroll option to his or her class and section. Filter option allows searching for the registered student information quickly. The next submodule is Student Enrollment. The student is admitted into his or her class and section in the institution directly using this form. This page displays various search options like institution name, date-wise, name or admission number-wise, and class and section-wise to search for the concerned student details. The date-wise search will display all the students irrespective of their class and section who have taken admission between the start and end date. The name or the admission number search option displays the details of any one particular student. The class and section-wise search option provides with all the student details of that class and section. You can add a new student entry by using the New Student option. The enrollment form is displayed. There are 3 sections available, namely Student Account Information, Parent Information and Academic Information. After entering the valid data in all the required fields and section, save the form by clicking on the Update option. The just entered student data will be stored in his or her class and section list. To view the just entered student information, select either of the 3 search options to get the details. 3 options are available with each student entry: Edit, View, Issue and Transfer Certificate. The student information can be modified and can upload the student image using the Edit option. View option will display the concerned student information. The Issue Transfer Certificate link, when clicked, displays the transfer certificate form for the student. After filling the form, you can issue it to the concerned student. The last submodule is Staff Enrollment. This submodule helps to maintain and add records of the staff members in the organization or institution. This page displays a list of staff members present in the institution along with their personal and professional details. When you click on a staff member name, a page containing the staff information is displayed. There is an edit link available besides each staff entry. You can modify the staff details and upload his or her image by selecting this option. There is a new staff option available here, which allows the authorized person or the administrator to add new staff entry and their details. The staff details consists of 3 sections. After filling the required fields with valid data in all these sections, save the form by clicking on the Submit button. The staff is added in the list. A filter option is also provided by selecting and entering data into either one of the choices available like department type, employee ID, etc. You can narrow down your search to your desired staff entry. This is how the Forms module will benefit your organization or institute. We also provide customized reports to the management and the administrator that aids them in making accurate managerial decisions in lieu with their organization growth. Walk-in report gives details about the number of inquiries made by the student or parents between the dates. Registration report gives details about the prospects registered in the organization or institution between the dates. Student admission report, the student or group of student admission details of any institution can be found using this report. Strength report. This report displays the strength of the students in a class and section of an institution. Student report. This report displays the details of a single student or students of a class and section. Student statistical report provides the strength of any class and section in terms of number of students, number of boys and girls in each caste category. Certificates. The institution can issue certificates such as bona fide, study and conduct when the need arises using this report. If there are any other constraints specific to your institution or organization requirements, we will be glad to make your software fully customized as per the needs. Thank you. For further information and request of demonstration, please mail us at info@schoolbag.com.